ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്, നമസ്കാരം. സത്യത്തിൻ്റെ പോരാളി എന്നും പീഡിതരോടൊപ്പം എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഞാൻ പ്രതീഷ് കുണ്ടത്തിൽ. ഞാൻ പെട്രോളിയം വില വർധനവിനെതിരെ പല വീഡിയോ ചെയ്തു. കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം ഒന്ന് ഹിന്ദിയിൽ ചെയ്തു നരേന്ദ്രമോദിക്ക്. ഇനിയൊരു വീഡിയോ ഞാൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ്. എനിക്ക് ഭാഷാ പരിമിതിയുണ്ട്, വിദ്യാഭ്യാസക്കുറവുണ്ട്. ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അറിയാവുന്ന ജനലക്ഷങ്ങൾ, ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ വീഡിയോ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ജനലക്ഷങ്ങൾ, ജനകോടികൾ ഇന്ത്യയിലുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ അവരാരും കാര്യമായിട്ടൊന്നും ചെയ്യാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അറിയാതെ ഞാൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ വീഡിയോ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പോവുകയാണ്. എന്നോട് സദയം ക്ഷമിക്കുക. എനിക്കൊരു 8ാം ക്ലാസ് പാസ് വിദ്യാഭ്യാസം മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. മലയാളം മീഡിയത്തിൽ പഠിച്ച ഒരാളാണ് ഞാൻ. എൻ്റെ അറിവിൽ, എൻ്റെ പരിമിതിയിൽ നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എനിക്കറിയുന്ന ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ ഒരു വീഡിയോ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പോവാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ കാണുക, നിങ്ങളിത് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, നിങ്ങളെൻ്റെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ഇത് പ്രചരിപ്പിക്കുക. നമ്മൾ ഒരുമിച്ച് നിന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു കാര്യം ഞാൻ പറയാം, പെട്രോൾ വില 100-ൽ നിൽക്കില്ല. അത് ഡബിൾ സെഞ്ചുറിയോ ട്രിപ്പിൾ സെഞ്ചുറി അടിക്കും. പ്രതികരണശേഷി നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട വലിയൊരു ജനമായി നാം മാറിയിരിക്കുന്നു. ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് പ്രതീഷ് കുണ്ടത്തിൽ. മൈ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽസ് നെയിം ഈസ് ദ വാരിയർ ഓഫ് ട്രൂത്ത്, always with oppressed. This video, I am making this video for my beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The reason is, this video's reason is increasing the petrol price. We are near to century in petrol price. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will reach 100 rupees per liter. I am asking my beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, what is the reason for hiking the petrol prices this much? This is too much, sir. What is the reason? There is any reasonable reason to hiking the petrol prices? The crude oil price is very low. Crude oil price is very low. In this world, I think more than 250 countries in this world. I don't know correct number. All the countries, you can ask, where is the most high price in petroleum product? That is our incredible India. Why? What is the reason? I don't know. My English is poor. Please forgive me. Please listen me carefully. You will understand what is I am going to say. Most of the Indian peoples are very poor. They are suffering. They are suffering to live. They are suffering to live day by day life in their life. Main reason hiking the petroleum product, petrol, diesel, kerosene, also the byproduct of petroleum, byproducts, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, PVC wires, PVC pipes, plastic items, everything's rate is increasing. The reason is hiking the petroleum product, hiking the petroleum. Narendra Modi ji, what is the reason? Day by day, yesterday 50 rupees LPG rate increased. For whom you are increasing the rate? For what? For 6 years, 10 years before, 1 barrel crude oil rate, that time $150. The same time, India petroleum rate 50 or 55, maximum 60. LPG cylinder rate 300, 350, 400. But now crude oil price $50 or $60 per barrel. But petrol rate 100, near 100. LPG rate 700, 800. Why? Who is the benefit? Who get the benefit of the hiking the petroleum? The corporate petroleum companies. Are you ruling for the poor people of India or finger counting people of corporate? 110 crore poor people, more than. Finger counting people of corporate, you are ruling for them. You forget the poor people of India. Who is voted you? Who is elected you, Pradhana Mantri ji? Now you are sitting the comfort seat of the Prime Minister seat. But you want to know the truth. Who is helping to you to sit there? The poor people of India. Every people have to voting authority. Every man, single man to one vote authority. Corporate will one. Like me, poor people one. We are voted. If I voted you, not voted you, that is not a matter. But you are my Prime Minister. You are considering only corporates. You are not considering us like poor people. You are thinking always their problems. You are not thinking our people, poor people's problems. Your one minister, one former minister, one IAS officer, I already told that Hindi video, Alphonse Kannanthananji. He said the reason of hiking the petroleum price for construct the latrine, toilet. What a shameless word that. What a shameless word. He is an IAS officer. Are you constructing the golden toilet? We don't need any golden toilet. So, please, Modi ji, this is my prayer. I am the representative of poor people. I am humbly request you, please control the petroleum price and come down the price. Please. You are blaming UPA government. UPA government will give petroleum companies to increase the authority. We are chosen you. For what? You don't do the same mistake UPS. If they do the mistakes, so people will throw out that government and people give you new chance. What their mistake, you should correct the mistake. Retake the authority to increasing the petroleum product. If petroleum companies increasing petroleum rate, other companies will increasing their rate. For what is the job for government? What is the job? What is the responsibility for Prime Minister and other ministers? What is your job? So, my humble request, petrol, diesel rate, we want to come down, please. I have a lot of limitation in speaking in English. I am just a 8th standard educated man in Malayalam medium. I don't know correct English. So, please, Narendra Modi ji, we want lower price petroleum product in India. You consider first, you give the priority in poor people who is living in India. This is a shame. All the worlds are looking India. India is the number one highly priced petrol. So it is a shame. So we don't need any golden toilet. We need only ordinary toilet that we will made. We have money, little money we will made. Don't give us free toilet. So that name you will not increase the petroleum product. Please. We need less rate petrol. Okay? We need good food, good water, good road. good fundamental facilities. If we eat anything good, then only we need toilet, Narendra Modi ji. If we not eating anything, why we need toilet? You think first that. So we don't need any toilet, any golden toilet, any ordinary toilet. We will made our toilet. We know that. So please, we need good food, good rice, good wheat, good cooking oil. Come rate, lower rate LPG, lower rate petrol, diesel. Please help us. You please consider us. Poor people of India. 95% people of India is poor. Who voted you? Who elected you? Please, don't test the people's patience. We are not foolish people. We know everything. In our people, we are more educated, you and your cabinet ministers. We are more knowledge people. I am not a knowledge, but the poor people, lot of people are knowledge people. You don't think we are fool. So please, again and again I request you, you take that authority to control the petroleum products. Okay? And I will come more videos, and I want to improve my English. Thank you, Modi ji. Dhanyavad.